knife. And it's snowing outside. The kids did not have school today because of the snow. So here's Daria. We're going to go shovel the snow.
Ow.
Sorry, say hi.
Hi.
Here's Mina. Say hi, Mina. Mina, what you got in your mouth? Give it to me. Mina, take it out.
2 pennies.
Mina. Mina. No. Mina. Mina.
Mom, take a picture of me.
No. Yeah, put your clothes on so we gonna play in the snow.
Where's my shirt?
Find a shirt.
Here.
Are you sure?
Huh? Bye-bye. Winnie Bubba.
Baba.
Winnie Bubba.
Baba.
Winnie Dada.
Baba.
Winnie Dada.
Baba.
Baba. Winnie Dada.
Baba.
Winnie Daria.
Baba. Baba.
Asim. Come here. Come here, please. Good morning. How are you doing? Can't see you. Huh?
Come on.
Okay, come on, guys. Dada. Dada. You sleep, Dada? That's my father.
Huh?
Hey.
Hi.
What you want to say to the camera?
How you doing?
Hey. What you talking about, Dada? Atomic?
Yeah, a red light.
What red light mean?
I want to get atomic.
Oh. Oh. Oh, what does that say? Atomic. The one that make God. That made God. Atomic is the one that made God?
That's it.
Who told you that?
I know. I went to him don't know.
It's in the Bible?
No, no, in the Bible. The man don't know.
Oh, they don't know? Oh, wow. So how you like staying here?
I think alright. Well, let me get up. What you eating? Nothing.
I'm gonna make breakfast. We're gonna shovel the snow first. You wanna come outside and play in the snow with us? This is my father, Van Jones. Is your name Van Jones or Van Buren Jones?
Van Jones.
Van Jones. He chilling, sleeping, watching TV. Can't record, can't reach. All right, I'll get back with you later.
Alright.
Anna, what are you doing? Hey girl, what you doing? Here you go. Watch out. Eat some. I don't want to slip. The shovel is.
Come on.
It's right there. That spot right there. Shovel is right over there in that spot. Open.
Hey. Come on. Yeah.
Right there. Just walk on it. Go inside the grass and walk on it by the gate. Daria! We having fun. doing, Mina? Huh? Yes? Just find a shirt to put on, any shirt. Mina. What you doing? Come here. You need to go put some gloves on, Mina. What's wrong? Huh? Go and put on a shirt upstairs on your dresser, any shirt. And put your coat on, socks, and your boots, the black boots. Okay, but then you don't be out here playing.
Don't be playing.
No, you can do it. You're a big girl, but then you don't play. This is fun.
Like this.
And hey, go ahead, you're gonna be in.
I'm just doing it. Daddy, stop it.
Mina, what you doing? Huh? Oh, she getting wet. Let me go, Just woke up?
I've been up.
You gonna come out and play in the snow with us?
Mommy,
Yes, Daria.
can you help me?
Okay. What you gotta say to the camera?
Daddy, get ready.
Bang.
Mommy.
What else? You're a star now. Come on.
Hey, what's up?
Yes, you are.
I'll go to the camera.
Huh?
I'll go to the camera.
He's scared. Mina, where's she at? Where's she at? Mina. Mina! 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 Come here, Mina! Hey! Hi! What you doing? Huh? What you doing, Mina? Issa, she behind you? Mina, where you going? Mina, where you going? What? What you doing, Mina? Huh? You see the snow? Hi. Got a snow blower. Mina. Mina. What you doing? We're about to come in the house. No, you don't need it. Issa and Mina. Daria, unfortunately, is not going to make it on the camera because she's so worried about finding head and gloves. Daria, it's too late. We coming in the house. You better put your boots on or not. What do you want to do?
Known facts you need to know about dates like when Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat.
How about the Rosa Parks? All right, man. That was an amazing job. This is nice. This is nice. I've heard a lot about this. And you all are one of the sponsors of the Sky Show, and thank you very much.
What's up, Daria? You finally made it outside.
This way?
Huh? Yeah. Hey, go with Daria. Go with Daddy and do it so you can be on camera.
Daddy. Daddy.
What you doing, Manny? You fell. Uh-oh. She getting on my nerves.
Daddy.
Yes.
You put snow right here.
No.
Okay.
Get up, Mina.
There's no way to make it snowy.
No, you can't do it here. People gonna walk there.
Can I ask you a question, Asa? Are you gonna do the shop too? The deck?
Are you gonna pay me?
I got coins. If somebody fall, they can sue me. Then we ain't never gonna have nothing.
Huh?
All that money that they get.
When I see that on pay.
Huh?
Don't talk about that.
What?
If people gonna say that, don't pay.
Is that the phone? Who the heck could it be?
Baba.
Here we go.
Darian. Get her up.
I'll make this noise. Here.
Come on in front of the house and do it. Not on the, it's in the street. Don't go in the street. You see my crazy kids? These my children. By the way, this is the year of 2005, December the 9th. Daria, Mina, and Issa. You got anything to say to the camera, Issa? That means no. When you went home last year, I was doing all this by myself. But it was still snowing, it was freezing cold, and it was a lot more snow than this, and it was harder. And pregnant with Mina. Oh, my stomach's starting to hurt. I gotta go back in the house.
Come on. Watch her now.
Okay. Come on, kids. That's enough. Where you going with that horse, Mina? In the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Nina.
Where's Daddy?
Go, Nina.
Daddy.
Okay, we're finished.
Huh?
We're done.
Oh, I gotta rinse the conditioner out. That's it.
All right, come on. Oh, no, if... Oh.
Say hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Say cheese.
Come on.
Wait, let us see that beautiful teeth. I'm going to the bathroom. Oh my God. Let us see that teeth. Come on, look, I got it right on your teeth. Open your mouth. Say ah.
Come on.
Okay. All right.
Take a picture of my muffin.
There, you're playing her game, boy. Okay. All right,
Look, he is little, huh? Mickey. La. Let me la. Read the la.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. I got an idea. The shop is dirty right now, because you know, we're busy. I done did like 100 clients today. No, okay, shut up hands. Okay. Mina! Mina! Daria! Go! Up!
This is what it sounds like when you win cash for that. $15,000 cash for that. Your chance to win is easy. Listen weekdays at 7 a.m., 12 to 5 p.m. and 7 p.m.
All right, yeah, ma.
100.3, the beat for most hip-hop and R&B.
Okay, I'll come. Okay, you're getting impatient. Let me just get me on here.
If you're financially...
Hi. I just wanted to say hi to myself because I'm never on the camera. I'm 5.5 months pregnant. I'm having twins. No, triplets. 2 girls and 1 boy.
That's not...
See the stomach?
In any official way.
All right.